I think they passed. We gotta get out of here. Gosh, I'm so scared.
Me too, girls.
Same. Well, we better get out of here. How about I get into the car? Okay, have a drive so she did. Okay, we're here. Wow, do you really think this will hold them off? Yes. Well, it's just a random forest. We can make a bunker.
Hey guys, I built it. Are you coming?
How did you do it that quick, Timmy?
I don't know, just follow me.
Wow, you think this forest will do? I think so. Okay, let's just go in. Wow, it's really creepy. Are you sure this will work? Oh my god. Well, I guess we can sleep in here for a night if they find us. We gotta go though. Okay, I'm gonna go gather out for supplies. Well, I guess these white pines will do. Let's quickly go. It's quicker than I thought. Let's collect some. A cat with the smiling disease. It's chasing me. Run! Okay, there's a forest of bamboo. We gotta get in. Okay, guys, I collected some white pine. Have some. Wait, where are they? I think they're smilers. They're right there. Run. Okay, we can shelter in here. Wow, it actually gives a good cover of support. Let's just hide. Okay, they're walking past. Let's go. Well, I really gotta stop this. Wait, I know where I can go. The scientist. He always has something to cure something. Hey, mad scientist, do you have a cure? Yes, these cactus leaves will do. Just hand it to them. Okay, there's one. Okay, there's my friends.
Huh? Where are we?
We just found a cure for the smiling disease.